Okay, team, what's going on here? I've just noticed that the current reading I'm getting off the autopilot, I was a little bit suspicious it was overreading. So I've done some tests with these little calibration ammeters, and yeah, it was quite inaccurate, but the most disappointing thing is there's a huge amount of non-linearity. So that's kind of a little bit difficult to deal with. So what I'm going to do is, I think this thing is going to cruise around about 10 amps to, let's say, just above 15. So I want to find out what the current readings are at that, and adjust them to match. So we've got two sort of hobby grade ammeter, wattmeter type of things. I've got a few more, but these have proved most accurate. Oh, there's the other one. These have proved most accurate using a power supply. So this is going to be fun, isn't it? I've got to arm it and try to hold it, try to talk to you guys, and I want to film the current that I'm getting. So I'm getting the currents coming off here. That's reported by the flight controller via MLRS, via this thing, and I'll also be taking a look at these two. The lower display is very dim and difficult to see, but I'll probably be shouting them out. So what could possibly go wrong? Can you see? Yep. All right, I think we're ready to arm, so I'm going to do that. Hold it there because it's going to try and come towards me.
Motors armed.
Armed, okay. So that's around about 10 amps. 14 showing on there. Let's go up a bit more. So we've got about 15 amps now. Amps. Around about 28, 29 amps. See, that's strange, that's now almost correct. Maximum. So what have we discovered there? Well, first of all, it's do we believe these things? It reminds me somewhat of the My Cousin Vinny sketch where we're trying to get it dead on balls accurate. But I think probably taking the average of these two things, especially as they've been checked against a power supply unit, is probably correct. But I think you saw then on occasions there seems to be quite a uneven linear relationship. I think we had at one time 20 amps showing on here and 30 amps showing on here. I see on the Autopilot discussion on the discourse there's a few other people have had this issue, and it's a bit disappointing, to be honest, because really the whole point of building this thing was to get some nice graphs for efficiency, current readings, etc., etc. So yeah, that's quite disappointing, and it surely shouldn't be beyond the wit of man to have some sort of a lookup table for corrections in any of these devices, but especially in the flight controller. So that's left me with a bit of a quandary that I'm not too sure what to do at the moment. Okay, thanks for watching.